Robbie, thanks for the comments, man, and I do appreciate it. We just have a little difference of opinion. Like when I started driving, I was already old then, kind of, to like get started in it. But I was driving Camaros with no weight jacks and stuff, and I think I just got used to driving shit without any cross weight in it. And now there's some feel that I miss when because Billy had that thing. He's done good up there in Canton and whatever, and I get in it, and it like when it had a crossweight in it, I had no feel for it. That's probably my fault, but I'm just saying. But anyway, here's a video with two versions of that, and I got back on my 360 camera far enough that you can see my steering wheel inputs, and like I watching it. I may put some white tape on there in the future just so I can go back and watch. But like I don't have to put a whole lot of left wheel in that thing ever until he gets into that right rear, washes the nose up then. But it is what it is. And like I'll be 54 this month, and I'm not gonna try and relearn how. We're at this point in my life, I'm just having a good time. Probably not going to win any of these big shows like that, but I can go up to our local track at Canton and be competitive still. And that's about that. But I appreciate the comments. It keeps all this stuff going. Thank you, Robbie.